A yellow warning for high winds has been issued for some parts of the West Midlands tomorrow Monday. Between midday and midnight, gusts could get up as high as 46 miles per hour in some parts of the region because of weather associated with the tail end of Hurricane Ophelia. Residents and drivers are urged to take care as the winds could bring disruption to travel, cause some damage to properties and even power cuts. Despite the winds, it will remain warm and temperatures could even make it up as high as 20 degrees Celsius.